Hello guys, and welcome to another video. In this one we'll be talking about how to upgrade your LCI headlights. Those are the tools that you need. It's pretty straightforward. First thing you do is remove the cover at the back and then start removing the screws over there, and then just unplug the wire. It's like a clip, so you just got to press on it and then just pull it hard. It's very important to make sure that when you unscrew the screws, you make sure that you grab them. I actually dropped one. It's actually very common to drop these nuts. If you do drop them, it's not the end of the world, because the LCI headlights have smaller size. So these are 10mm, but the new LCI headlights are actually 8mm. These are the old headlights, and these are the new ones. As you can see, the new ones look a lot more slick. Okay, so putting it back in is very straightforward. Luckily I got some nuts with mine. You can just buy any nuts, they're 8mm, and make sure you put a washer between as well. The problem I faced here is once you plug in the cable into the new one, the new headlights, it doesn't fit. I'll show you why in a second now. If you see the gap there, there's a gap over there. Whereas in the old one, they're sort of like attached. So online it says you can cut that to make it fit, but just don't do that. It's too much of a hassle. You're probably gonna get it wrong. So just cut that small bit of plastic instead. It's very easy. It won't affect anything, and it will still clip. So I got a cutter here. You can use a knife. To be honest, this plastic is gonna break pretty easily. Okay, so I've cut that and it fit perfect. As you can see there. It was surprisingly easy to cut it, so I definitely recommend cutting it instead. Okay, so that's the before, that's the after. As you can see, we need to do some wiring, because that's the indicator and reverse light that's working. So we need to change the wiring. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the, we're going to push these wires out. We're going to remove this little white plastic bit. You just remove it, use a screwdriver, and slowly just take it off. For the wiring, you just put the screwdriver in, and then it's like push in and then pull up. This is a diagram that you'll need to follow for the right side. I've always seen one video with this diagram. Most other videos don't show you this, and it's really annoying. And then you push the wires back in until you hear a clip. Then you put the plastic covering. So that's the right side done. Now we do the left side. Yeah, as you can see, it's working fine. So left side, remove the plastic clip. Just gently remove it. Don't do what I did and break it. I glued it back again, but yeah, just gently push it up and then remove the plastic tip. So the left and right side are different. So this is the diagram for the left side. All I'm doing is I'm pushing in with the screwdriver. Make sure you have a small one. You push in and sort of push upwards. Again, because it's all plastic, just make sure you don't force anything too hard, because you will end up breaking. Just please be gentle. As you can see, all I'm doing is I just keep pushing it in and just pushing it upwards, and then I'm just switching the wires over. Again, this detail is not shown in other videos. All the tutorials, they just tell you that they saw a diagram online or something. Like, it's pretty frustrating when you're trying to learn how to do it yourself. Anyways, as you can see now, both sides are working fine, and it looks amazing. I'll see you guys in the next one. This was a quick video. Take care. Hope you found it useful. Bye.